Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be updating your Mac, so let's get started. On the top left hand side of your screen, you will see the Apple logo. Just click on it. Then from here you're going to see System Preferences, that's your second option. Then the App Store. Before we used to do all our updates under the App Store, so if you're all the way back, then go into your App Store. With newer Macs, most likely you guys have everything under System Preferences. So let's just click there. Once you pull up System Preferences, you will notice on the left hand side, there will be something like this, software update. So just open it up. Once we click there, it should say checking, and here we go. If we click on more info, we can see exactly how big this is. So this is really small. This is device support update. It's underneath 200 megabytes, which is very, very small. And that's because we need this for iPad OS. And yeah, let's just get started and click on install now. Once we do that, it's just gonna run the update. So we're gonna download it. So again, this shouldn't take that long. However, it does depend on your internet speed. So for some of you, this could take a while. For others, this could take just a couple seconds, like you will notice in this video. It all depends on your internet speed. If you want this to go a little bit faster, sure. Hook up your Mac using an Ethernet cable directly to your router, and that way it's gonna go a lot faster. Since you might be a little bit far away from your Wi-Fi signal might not be the best. At this point in time, all we have to do is just wait, and then the update will be done. It's very important that you guys install these updates. Even if you don't have an iPad, it's just better. Just in case anybody wants to plug in, or maybe you have to plug in an iPad, it's going to work correctly and you don't have to do that update. Anyways, right now we're all done with the update. As you guys can see, it will say your Mac is up to date. So right here, it should tell you this, when it was last checked, and that's about it. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.